Hello guys, in this video I will discuss to you the other codes in displaying a text, which is the print and printf. But for this part we're just gonna tackle the print and println, also including the other codes that you can use inside this print statement. So let's go now and create another program. Also in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the scanner method or the scanner code. Scanner is used when a program needs an input from the user. So let's put including for in order for the scanner program to function, we need to import it from the utility in Java, which we'll be inputting right now. We need to import java dot utility dot scanner. Then we need to create the class. Let's say I'm gonna put the name display in my class, and let's just save it first. Okay, I'm going to save it here. School text files in here. Display.java. Now we need to create the main method. The next thing that we're going to do is we need to declare a variable for the scanner so that we can call it later when we need to use or to ask an input from the user. So I'm just gonna declare a variable x for my scanner. So let's just put scanner x is equals to new scanner system dot in. Next that I'm going to do is I'm gonna share to you the different formats when using print and println statement. Notice that print will display the program your text, but it won't create a new line, while println will display the text in it and after that creates a new line. So let's just say, for example, here System.out.println hello world, and let's create the print code, which is System.out.print hello world again. Just gonna save it and run it. Here you noticed that after printing the hello world program, the system indicates a new line and printed the hello world again. But if you put the print first before the println, you will notice some changes. Let's see, put here the print and here is the println, and if you try to run it, this is the output. Like I said before, print only prints the text and didn't indicate a new line, while println prints the text and input a new line. Aside from that, you can also use a blank println just to print a new line for your statement. Let's see, if you put here System.out.println hello, and put another in here, world, and I put the println in here without any text, meaning this code will just create a new line for you. So let's try to run the program. Here, as you can see, it displays the hello, and then run the println program, which is just a new line, and displays the world. And now I will show you the other codes that you can use inside here to declare or just to design some education for some ideas that will help you design your program or text the way you want to display it by using the backslash code here. There are several backslash functions that we can use, and I will teach you the the use of it. So let's try here. There is a \n which indicates a new line. So if you put a \n in here and you save it, and it will just indicate a new line between the h here, as you can see, because this is also another part of just printing the System.out.println without a text. Instead of using it, you just need to use the \n for a new line. Also, we have \t, which indicates for backslash and tab. After printing this, you will notice the indentation here. After the H letter, it just printed a tab and put the hello world word, I mean. We have another code, which is the \r for the carriage, like using a typewriter. It resets your indentation back to the first line. So if you print this in here, it will just reset and it will erase the letter H and replace the first element with E. Let's run it. As you can see, it just erased here and displays the hello world, which means letter E will be your first letter in here. Other also There are also other backslash, like double backslash, where you just printed a backslash inside your text, just like that. And there's also the \f, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, which just print a question mark inside a box. And there you have it. You can use that codes to design your text or whatever you want to do with it. In my next video, I will teach you how to display your text using the printf statement.